Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Hume Band review. So you might be wondering, what is the Hume Band 2.0 that you may be hearing right now? So the Hume Band 2.0 is a screen-free wearable fitness and health tracker designed to be worn continuously on your wrist. Now, according to Hume Health here, it tracks metrics including heart rate variability, blood oxygen, skin temperature, sleep stages, activity, strain recovery, and blood pressure trends. Now, the company also uses these measurements to generate scores such as metabolic capacity, metabolic momentum, biological age, and pace of aging. So if you want to see more about that, you can go and just visit their website here. They do specify those details in here as well. Now, in this case, the bands or the band here, or specifically the band 2.0, uses 5 LEDs and 4 photodiodes for its sensing system. Hume says it is designed for 27 wear and has an IP68 rating, meaning the company states it can handle water up to 1 meter deep for up to 2 hours. Battery life is listed at up to like 14 days, with charging typically taking around 30 minutes. So if you want to see more about that, again, you can go and just visit their website. Now, if you really want to know how to exactly use this, well, you can also refer to the information here inside their website. Now, you want to start wearing the band comfortably on your wrist and connect it to the Hume Health app through a Bluetooth. Now, the company says the band automatically collects your health and activity data through day and night, so there is no need to manually start individual tracking sessions. So it does it for you automatically. Now, each morning, open the Hume app here, or Hume Health app, and basically, you just need to review your sleep, recovery, HRV, activity, and other available measurements. And the app organizes collected information into health scores and trends so you can monitor how your daily habits affect your metrics. Now, Hume Health here, or Hume, offers what they call premium membership. They specifically says, or they specifically mentioned that in here in the website, which adds an AI powered coaching and personalized health feedback. However, the company states that a subscription isn't required to use a band to access your raw data and core metrics. And this is just an add-on. Now, the official website currently lists Hume Band 2.0, their 2.0 version, at around $249 as of this moment, but pricing may change depending on what country you're buying this from. With the free app included, free worldwide shipping, and a 45-day money-back warrant, refund policy here, as you can see right now. They do offer a 1-year warranty in here, and you could also include a 10-year warranty into your checkout if you want to. Now, in this case, if you're still wondering what it is, so in simpler terms here, see, the Hume Band 2.0 is a screenless health tracker that you wear continuously, while its smartphone app turns the collective measurement into health, fitness, sleep, and recovery and longevity related insights. So yeah, so since this device tracks health related measurements, it's best to treat its readings as wellness information rather than replacement for professional medical evaluation. Now, if you're concerned about a particular health reading or symptom, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional to interpret this information that you got is highly recommended, especially if you have ongoing or current issues with your health. So again, consulting a doctor is best here. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.